You feel your chest tighten, your palms get warm, your thoughts begin to race. Your phone buzzes on the desk beside you. An email notification flashes across your screen. Your brain screams a single ancient word: danger. But there is no tiger in the room. There is only a deadline. This is the modern panic pandemic. Our bodies are still running on old survival software. These tools were perfectly designed to help our ancestors run, fight, or hide from very real physical threats. Today, these same powerful biological tools fire to much smaller, abstract triggers. You know this feeling intimately. It is a sharp and persistent hum in the background of your day. It steals your sense of calm and your ability to focus. It can make your mind feel foggy and slow. You might call it anxiety. You might call it being overwhelmed. At the level of your biology, this feeling has a very specific name: a circuit called the HPA axis. Understanding it is the first step to regaining your attention and your life. The term HPA axis sounds complex, but it is simply a conversation between three parts of your body: H for hypothalamus, P for pituitary, and A for adrenal. Think of them as a chain of command. They communicate with hormones that coordinate your stress response. This conversation runs constantly, often without you noticing. It is the engine that can derail your focus. The hypothalamus monitors for threats, real or imagined. It releases CRH, the initial alert. That signal travels a very short distance to the pituitary. The pituitary, your master gland, responds. It secretes ACTH into the blood with a single destination: the adrenal glands. When ACTH arrives, the adrenals act. They release stress hormones, chief among them, cortisol. In seconds, the fight or flight chemistry floods your system. Cortisol is the PFC killer in excess, able to shut down executive function when it lingers. This axis includes feedback. High cortisol should tell the brain, stand down. The glands quiet. Your body returns to baseline. The problem today isn't the alarm, it's its sensitivity. Your brain treats a hard conversation, a full inbox, or a looming deadline like a predator. Constant high alert taxes cognition and health. The good news, you are not powerless. These systems are plastic, capable of change. You can turn down the alarm and shift into engaged, calm focus. It begins with understanding the machinery of stress. Cortisol in short bursts is essential and life-saving. It boosts glucose, raises heart rate and pressure, sharpens senses for immediate threats. Designed for short action, then a return to calm via feedback. Modern stressors are chronic and psychological, not a tiger you can run from. The axis never receives a clean off signal. Levels remain elevated for too long. The prefrontal cortex, planning, decisions, impulse control, gets impaired. Impulsivity rises. Complex tasks suffer. Deep focus slips. You feel tired but wired. The hippocampus, key for learning, memory, and context, also suffers. It helps your brain know a buzzing phone is not a lion. Chronic stress can shrink it, damaging connections, blocking new growth. A healthy hippocampus is your brake pedal. Wear it down and small triggers set off big alarms. Your body struggles to return to calm. This isn't a willpower failure. The hardware for focus is suppressed. The hardware for calm is weakened. Costs add up: sleep, mood, immune function, overall well-being. A slow erosion of clear thought and peaceful living. The same science that mapped the HPA axis gives us tools to recalibrate it. And to reclaim deep work. The first tool, abandon the myth of multitasking. You're task switching, not multitasking, and each switch spikes cortisol. The antidote is monotasking, full attention, one task, defined time. Be specific. Define the single task. Eliminate distractions. Close tabs, silence notifications, remove the phone. Work to completion, or for 25 or 50 minutes. When your mind wanders, bring it back. That resistance is the workout. You're strengthening prefrontal circuits for sustained attention. The second tool, time boxing, clear starts and stops that signal safety to your HPA axis. Pair each 25-90-minute work block with 5 to 10 minutes of true disengagement. Big projects become single climbs. Predictability calms the nervous system. With structure, deep work becomes flow. The third tool, engineer your environment to send safety signals. Softer light, subtle blue aqua accents, a touch of nature. Manage noise. Create a predictable, non-distracting soundscape. Manage the phone, or it manages you. Ritual cues teach your axis to relax and concentrate. Do 3 things daily for 1 week. First, 1 monotasking session. Shut down distractions. Second, when stress rises, inhale through your nose, take a short second sip of air, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Third, make 1 small change to your space. Join the NeuroPulse community to master your focus and optimize your potential. Subscribe and pulse with clarity.